Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Mandy and I love to create through the art of slow stitching. If you're currently working on a hand stitched or embroidered piece, I'd love for you to take 5 minutes out of your busy day to stitch along with me. If you're anything like me, our days can get really hectic with the everyday chores and never-ending to-do lists. So I think it's important to really try to take a few minutes out of that chaos, if possible, just for ourselves. I definitely know from experience that it's not always that easy, and there's just so much that needs to be done. And we just don't have enough hours in the day. But if we can just find a few minutes, even just every few days or so, to do something calming and for ourselves, I'm sure that we can all benefit. There is something about creative hand stitching that just calms the mind. A chance to focus on something else that takes you away from the everyday. The great thing about slow stitching is it really doesn't matter how or what you stitch. The repetitive act of passing a needle and thread through fabric is all that's needed to be present and mindful. For instance, the piece that I'm working on here is made up of randomly shaped pieces of fabric left over from previous projects. I have laid them onto a backing fabric in a way that looks and feels pleasing to me. I've hand stitched them into place using a variety of simple embroidery stitches. You don't even need to know how to do many stitches. A simple running stitch is all you need to start. When I worked on this piece, I worked intuitively and just went with my feelings to where to place the pieces and then where and how to stitch. You're joining me as I'm nearing completing this piece, and I'm using seed stitch to fill the areas around the fabric shapes. I love seed stitch, and once you get used to stitching it, you can really get into the flow. The pieces we create don't necessarily have to be made into anything. They can be there as a reminder of where you may have been stitching, or what you were thinking about at the time, or your mood, how you were feeling, good or bad. Sometimes it's good to get all of those thoughts and feelings down in how you stitch. Much like writing a journal, is a place to offload. Thank you for joining me, whether you have been stitching along or not. I hope you've enjoyed this few minutes out of your day to just do something for you. Bye everyone, take care.